To install the A4KSubtitles Kodi Addon on Kodi 21.2 Omega, first, launch your Kodi application. Navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon. From there, go to File Manager and select Add Source. Click on None and enter the URL https://a4k-openproject.github.o/a4ksubtitles/packages. Name it something memorable, like A4K repo. Now, head back to the main menu and select Add-ons. Click on the open box icon at the top, then choose Install from zip file. Find the source you just added, select it, and install the repository. Once that's done, go to Install from repository, find A4KSubtitles repo, and select Video Add-ons. Click on A4KSubtitles and hit Install. In just a few moments, you'll have access to a treasure trove of subtitles. Enjoy your viewing experience with perfect captions.